Good morning everyone. Today I am going to show you how to add objects on Blender. First of all, let me delete this one. Now you can see add option on the interface. Click on the add option. Here you can see options like cube, mesh, curve, surface, light, camera, speaker, etc. I will show you how to add something like a cube. Click on the mesh option. Here you can see options like plane, cube, circle, etc. Click on whatever you want. You can see that I have added a cube to the interface. This is how you can add objects in Blender. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe. Thank you.